Welcome back. In this video, we'll cover the second step in migrating an on-premises SQL Server database to Azure SQL Manager instance using log replace services. This step is all about requirements and selecting the migration target. We will start from the database migration menu in the Azure portal. First, let's review the requirements. These are the key requirements. First, SQL Server instance must be ARC-enabled. Second, SQL Server version is 2008 or newer, and it's running on a Windows server. Third, the list of permissions are listed for you on the screen. And fourth, we need to have a storage account with a blob container within it. Ideally, you create a folder for this database so its data stays separate from other migrations. For detailed documentation, check the link at the bottom of this slide. Let's go to the portal and see that in action. From the SQL Server instance connected through ARC, I will open the database migration menu. And let's go to database migration. Here you can see the four options. Access source instance. We have done this on the previous video. Select target. We will cover this today. Migrate data and monitor migration. We will do this next. Let's click on select target. On the create or select target dialog, the first question is, does the target already exist or do you want to create a new one? You have two options. Yes, I already have created a target, or no, I want to create a new target. Let's explore the no option for now. When I select the no option, notice the interface changes. The four fields disappear and we see this message. And at the bottom, there is a create target button. Let's click on it. This opens the wizard to create a new Azure SQL Manager instance. I'll use this opportunity to show the process for creating a free SQL MI, which is a great new way to experiment and learn about our Manager instance offering. Let's go to the tabs quickly. The basic information tab, you have to select the subscription. Next, choose or create a new resource group. Define a name for the SQL Manager instance. Pick a region. Over here, you can change the configuration of the hardware going to be running. If you scroll down, we can see the authentication. Moving to the next tab, you can choose an existing virtual network or create a new one. Decide if this instance you have access to the public endpoint and configure the TLS settings. Next, let's go to the security tab. You can enable Defender for SQL. There's a free trial. And over here, you also configure transparent data encryption. Next, let's go to additional settings. This tab contains SQL Server settings like collation, time zone for your instance, if you want to have geo-replication, and the maintenance window for that instance. Last but not least, the update policy for that instance. Next, let's go to the tags. Tags help you organize resources and make reporting easier. Add tags as you need. Last tab is review and create. Normally, you'll click create to provision the instance. I won't create it now because we already have an instance available for migration. So let's go back and select that instance. Back in the select target dialog, I'll choose yes, because I already have created a target. Now, the 4 fields appear back: subscription, resource group, region, and managed instance. Let's complete by hitting select target. That's it for selecting the migration target and creating a new managed instance. In the next video, we'll move to the third step, migrating data using log replace